Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
P0431 indicates that the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected that the preheating catalytic converter, on bank 2, is not operating correctly. If your vehicle registers this code, it's important to familiarize yourself with what it means before troubleshooting. What does engine code P0431 mean? What are its possible causes and how is it corrected? Read on for the answers to these questions and to this mode. The PCM will store code P0431 if it reads that the oxygen sensors upstream and downstream of the catalytic converter on bank 2 reflect a similar exhaust oxygen concentration. What does code P0431 mean? Fault code P0431 means catalytic converter overheating, bank 2, efficiency below threshold. This means that your car's main computer or powertrain control module has detected that the catalytic converter is not efficient enough, according to factory specifications. The downstream sensor is the one between the two catalytic converters in the illustration shown. Catalytic converter efficiency is monitored using upstream and downstream oxygen sensors. Most of these sensors contain zirconium dioxide sensing elements enclosed in ventilated steel housings. These are connected to the lead wires in the oxygen sensor cable harnesses via gold or platinum-plated connector terminals. Note that two sensors are much less active than one sensors, which is correct. The PCM will store code P0431 if it reads that the oxygen sensors upstream and downstream of the catalytic converter on bank 2 are switching in much the same way, rather than the rear sensor reflecting a lazy signal, as is normal, see illustration. This code will also activate the malfunction indicator. This is what the O2 trace looks like when the catalytic converter stores no oxygen at all. This is a Jeep that arrived with gutted catalytic converters. Read our technical discussion on catalytic converter operation for more information that can help you solve code P0431 if you're looking for a DIY solution. Note, the definition of code P0431 may differ depending on the vehicle manufacturer. Consult the appropriate repair manual or repair database for the exact code definition. What are the possible causes of code P0431? Here are the most common causes of P0431, faulty catalytic converter, defective oxygen sensor not working properly, exhaust leak. What are the common symptoms of P0431? Depending on the severity of the catalytic converter problem, other related fault codes may also be stored. Their symptoms may vary or overlap. Whether you're dealing with several fault codes or just P0431, you can expect a check engine light. Here are some other symptoms you may encounter with code P0431, reduced fuel consumption, reduced engine performance. How to diagnose P0431. Diagnosing the P0431 code can get a little tricky, as the process can vary depending on the year, make and model of your car. For example, diagnosing a P0431 in a Mitsubishi may involve different steps to those followed by owners of other makes and models. The viable solution would be to enlist the help of a certified mechanic to help you avoid costly mistakes. How to repair fault code P0431. There is no universal solution to erase the P0431 code, as the solution varies according to the causes and the make and model of the vehicle. If you're unsure of your DIY skills and knowledge of the code, it's best to leave the job to the professionals. If you have decent DIY skills to work on your car, you can use online auto repair resources and guides to determine the right way to repair DDC P0431. One of the best examples you could use is AllData. This subscription will give you access to thousands of pieces of information that you can use at your convenience. And don't forget to check with the repair manual before starting the repair process.